So today guys we are going to deal with the network problem. How to find the shortest path from the first node to the last node. So the procedure is that we initially give 0 to the first node, that is assign a number 0. Then we have some steps that are as follow. We write L0 equal to the direct distance of the first node to the first node, that is 0, and we put a star in the beginning, and that the distance of the first node to the second node, that is 3, so we put 3 here, and that is distance of first node to the third node. But you see that all distances are direct, so we put 6 here, and similarly for 1 to 4, that is 5, and all the others does not have any direct distances, that's why we put infinity for the 5th, and similarly for 6th and 7th. So now the second step is that we are going to look the smallest one in the numbers which are without stars. So here this is the smallest one. So in the next line we are going to assign 3 to the second, that is now the direct distance of 2 and 3, they do not have direct distances, that's why I put the initial distance, and 2 and 4 does not have, so that's why the initial one. So then the distance between the 2 and 5 is 3 plus 3, that is 6, and similarly for 3 plus 8 for 6th, that is 11, and the 7 and 8 does not have any direct distance, that's why we put infinity. And in the same way the smallest among them is now 5th, that is the distance of the 4th node, that's why we are going to assign 5 to the 4th node. In the next step, three does not have any direct distance, that's why we put the initial distances, it is 6. We put a star because we take it, and the initial distance of the 4 to the 5 is 5 plus 4, that is 9, which is larger than 6, that's why we take 6, because we have to take the minimum. And the distance of the 4 to 6 is, there is no direct distance, that's why we take the initial one. And the 4 to 7, there is a distance 5 plus 7, that is 12. No distance, no direct distance between 4 and 8, that's why we put infinity again. Now the minimum is 6, you can take either this or this is your choice, the answer is going to not affect by this at all. So I am going to take this, that is a third value, so I am assigning 6 at the third node. So the procedure is same, we are going to put the stars on them and then locate for the 3 to 5, that is 10, which is greater than 6, that's why we take 6. There is no direct distance between 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. That's why we're going to put the same distance that they have initially. So in the next step, we look the minimum, that is 6. 6 is the distance at this 5th. We are going to assign 6 at 5th node. Then looking the distances from the 5th node. That is the distance of the 6th node from 5th is 6 plus 4, that is 10, which is lesser than 11, that's why we take 10. Then 6 plus 17, 6 plus 2 for the 7, that is 8, which is lesser than 12, and 6 plus 7 for the, that is 13 for the 8th node. So here the minimum is 8, so we are going to take 7th node, assigning value 8 to the 7th. So now we proceed in the similar way. The direct distance of 7 to 6 is not direct, that's why I put 10 again. And direct distance of 7 to 8 node, it's 8 plus 3, that is 11, lesser than 13, that's why I put 11 here. And the minimum is 10, That's why we're going to put 10 to the 6th. Same way as we do for the all. We're going to fix 6 node. The distance is 10 plus 13, which is greater than 11. That's we are going to ignore 11. And then the last step we are going to do the same with all stars. Now the last step is that we are going to find the shortest path for 1 to 8. That is, if we see that 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, the distance is come out to be 11. That is 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.